Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome. We would love to have you subscribe to stick around for more content. Today, we're just probably going to hang out inside. We might go on a walk or play outside depending on how nice it gets. It's supposed to be nice today, but right now it is cloudy and it's only like 45 degrees. I feel like it's warm if it gets above 50. But I'm going to start decluttering, kind of like spring cleaning the house. I really want to focus on my closet, getting my really thick sweaters and boots and stuff put away and bringing out some more spring clothes, decluttering the closets of mine and the kids. And then today I'm for sure going to take everything out of my refrigerator, wipe it all down, go through things and see if anything's expired, and then put everything back neatly. That sounds like something you're interested in. Stick around to find out what we do.
What are you doing? You gonna bounce? Bounce, Bubba, bounce. Bounce, Bubba, bounce. Does he have it off? There you go.
1, 2, 3, bounce with me. 4, 5, 6, let's do tricks. 7, 8, 9, 10. Aroo! I love to count with you, friend. Here we go.
Here's just an overview of my refrigerator before I started clearing everything off of it. I'm just going to start by taking everything off of the whole fridge, the top included. That way I can wipe everything down. I had the most random stuff collected on the top of my fridge that I was clueless about most of it. So I recommend checking on the top of your fridge and cleaning it off. every once in a while I just take Brinley's pictures off the fridge and put them in a bin and make more room for new pictures that she makes. On this side, I just put our family pictures, and then I'm gonna add just our other magnets so we have them over there. And then on this side, I just put our magnetic chip clips. So this is the side when you walk into the kitchen. On the front, I just kept the Easter picture from last year since it's almost Easter time. And then a special picture to us and our list that we can put groceries or anything on. Now that I have the outside of the fridge all cleaned off and looking better, I'm gonna just empty everything out of my fridge so that I can start with a clean slate. So obviously this all needs wiped out before I go through everything. I used a wet magic eraser to remove all the gunk and grime out of the fridge. I don't think a regular sponge or rag would have worked for this. I'm just putting my eggs back and shutting the fridge while I show you everything that I took out of it so that they don't go bad. Okay, as you can see, I have the most random stuff. I need to go through all of this and see if anything is past expiration date, which I'm sure there are. We have 2 ricottas, which we never even use. Don't even know why I have them. I have all of this is our cheese and deli stuff. This is the kids' snack things. I'm gonna take everything out and wash these drawers. See, I have 2 things of heavy whipping cream. Don't even know why I have them, but this one's expired. These peaches I opened last night. and the kids don't like them, so I'm going to freeze them and put them in a smoothie. This is just meat that I thawed last night, but we ended up not making it, so I'm gonna make it tonight for dinner. I think all this is good. I need to put these things with the other condiments. I got Dunkin' the other day and then ended up making my own coffee. This was just hidden in the back. I have Poppin' juice. This was my husband's lunch for work that he forgot to take. This was from New Year's, so it's probably gonna get thrown out. Random butter. This is bacon grease. I'll probably throw that out too. Leftover breakfast pizza that needs thrown away. This cucumber's going bad, so I'll need to cut that up today. Some more random stuff. This was from yesterday, so my husband might drink. But I'm just gonna go through the rest of these things, throw out what needs to be thrown out, and then start packing the fridge back up. Here I just found out that I had 2 jars of pickles within date, so I'm just combining them both because I don't need 2 separate jars of pickles. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but this Parmesan expired at the end of 2018, so I'm obviously going to be throwing that away. And I have no idea how I got 2 bottles of Worcestershire. One of them's not even open yet, so I'm gonna put it back in the cupboard. This leftover pizza sauce was still in date, but it was looking a little funny to me, so I ended up throwing it away. I also never use relish, so I don't know how I got 2 jars of these. I use actual pickles for tuna, so I don't even know. I also ended up combining these 2 things of barbecue sauce into one. I just found a wire hanger and I'm untwisting it to make a little shelf in my refrigerator door. I think it'll do for what we need it for. I'm gonna put like the most used condiments right here. We've never had this shelf or this one, so we've had to fit them all down there. So here I put the things in the back that we use the least often or that has the longest shelf life, and I am just so proud of this. I realize this drawer says meats and veggies, but I do keep my kids' stuff in here because it's just easy for them to get to since it's on the bottom. I'm going to organize this drawer by meats and cheeses. I know it won't say that way, but I'm gonna start it like that. So in here I have shredded cheese, sliced cheese, celery and cilantro, hot dogs and pepperoni, and then lunch meat right here. Up here I just have some pop, some juice. That sparkling wine isn't going bad until November, so I kept the last of it for my daughter. Some random drinks. I just have some random drinks down here. Butter, chip dip, and heavy whipping cream, and then this is the meat I'm using for dinner. This is completely empty. It all looks so bare now, but we still have basically the same amount of things. I hope this video gave you guys some motivation to start cleaning out your fridge or tidy and organize something. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.